What they did to it?
They got this bad work. It won't never work if I just put it right there. It would never come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, man, it was hard to fuck all day. Man. I really want to go to AT&T now, though.
You might well just call.
My phone fucking started again.
What you about to push?
You might well kickstart that
Hey, you a
motherfucker.
clown.
That shit good.
Hey, let's go.
Look at my box, please. Dang. So that shit deep.
Hey, I do one,
We
huh?
running double corner right or left every play. You hear that shit? I can't, dog. I can't. It ain't no rain. Fuck it. That's my final answer. I'm ready. I was just a dirt bike. You rock that motherfucker. Man is a clown, dog. He's really out here trying to crank up his scooter for the fast. That is minutes. Uh-oh. You made, man. Alright, now what?
Go get him! Go get him!
That's your motivation right now.
Oh, you thought that was it?
That was the one.
You had it. That's the bad part. You fucking had it.
Oh! Woo! Oh, this video crazy.
But you just got it fixed. You should be able to sit for like a week.
No. I had it done right here.
Varie be selfish with that shit.
Oh, you gotta get this.
Hey, back in the day, especially